Let's take a look at solving an exponential word problem. In this exponential word problem, it says a car's value is given by the equation v equals 25,000 times 0.5 to the power of n, where v is the value in dollars and n is the number of years. So looking at the equation, you should be able to answer part A. How much did the car cost? The equation's in the form start times change to the exponent, or a times b to the exponent. This a value, or start value, is the starting value of the car. So how much did the car cost? I was going to write 25,000, but it's a word problem. I should put a word answer. So 25,000 is the cost. Now it's a word sentence. I don't get communication taken off. Starts at 25,000. How much value does it lose per year as a percentage? That comes from the second number here, 0.85. That 0.85 corresponds to 85%. But 85% isn't what it loses. 85% is what it has left. So the change is going to be 100%. Or I should say, let's not call it the change. Let's call it the loss. How much is lost every year? Well, it's 100%. Take away the 85% left over. Start with 100%, you have 85% left over. Pretty obviously, you have 15% left, or 15% lost. Therefore, you lose, or it loses 15% per year. That's a lot, but very normal for a car. Most cars will lose between 12 and 20% per year. So we've got our start value, and our change was 85%, and so our loss, or lost, per year is 15%. And then it asks, what's the value after 10 years? That's just a simple sub in. Use the equation. The v equals 25,000 times 0.85 to the power of n, where n is the years. So just sub in 10. We sub in and we solve. When you're solving this, do the exponent stuff first. 0.85 to the power of 10 equals times 25,000. And we get a value of $4,921, and round to 2 decimals because it's money. After the 6 is a 0, so round down. And we got our answer. It's a word problem. We should have a word answer. Therefore, it is worth $4,921.86. A lot less. That's how exponential decay works. That's what happens with cars. So we solved an exponential word problem, a simple one, that asks us the starting value, that's the a value or start value here, and what percentage is lost, that's 100%, take away this as a percent. And finally we solved a value at a given year by subbing in that year and finding the answer. Ooh, and I caught a communication mistake. Maybe you caught it already too. This answer was rounded. Need a rounding dot. Now we're done.